Now we are going to examine sulfates. There is a test in order to identify sulfates in certain solutions. Sulfates, they react with barium chloride or barium nitrate in order to form a precipitate. Let's examine together here an animation to test for a sulfate. In this tube, we already added the sulfate ion, which is dissolved in nitric acid solution, and we are going to add, using this small pipette, barium nitrate or barium chloride in order to test for the sulfate ion, and let's see what we're gonna observe. Here they are adding the barium nitrate or the barium chloride, and if you observe here, there was a white precipitate that was formed. So a white precipitate indicates the presence of sulfate ions in a solution. So whenever you are confused about whether there is sulfate in a certain unknown, we always carry out the sulfate test using barium nitrate or barium chloride. If there were a white precipitate formed, then absolutely you have a sulfate ion.